True plus true equals 2. Elegantly performed Boolean arithmetic. I have nested lists of truth values representing set formulas, like this. Representing. I would like to calculate the truth value of the whole formula. First step would be adding up the truth values of the literals in each clause. Like this. If clause underscore truth underscore value is true after the summation, the clause is true as a whole. But I am not getting what I expected. True plus true equals 2, that's not as expected. True equals 1, that's as expected. False plus false equals 0, that's as expected. False equals 0, that's as expected. So, true is simply 1 and false is 0. That sucks. I expected the arithmetic operators to be overloaded for the Boolean algebra. Is there an elegant way to do Boolean arithmetic with Boolean variables?
In Python, true equals 1 and false equals 0, as true and false are type bool, which is a subtype of int. When you use the operator plus, it is implicitly adding the integer values of true and false. What you really want is to treat true and false as binary numbers. From bitwise operators in Python. X and Y does a bitwise AND. Each bit of the output is 1 if the corresponding bit of X and of Y is 1, otherwise it's 0. X, Y does a bitwise OR. Each bit of the output is 0 if the corresponding bit of X and of Y is 0, otherwise it's 1.
There is a way to do Boolean arithmetic. That way is to use Boolean operators. And, as you call, is AND, OR, as you call plus, is OR.